Healthy bro presence. What happens if you consume boiled egg every day? Eggs are nutritious and versatile foods that provide essential nutrients for our bodies, like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Protein helps build muscles and repair tissues in our bodies, while vitamins and minerals keep us healthy and help our bodies work properly. Some of the vitamins found in eggs include vitamin A, which is good for our eyes, and vitamin D, which helps our bones stay strong. Eggs are also a good source of choline, which is important for brain health. You can cook eggs in many ways, such as boiling, frying, or scrambling them. They are a popular breakfast food, but can be enjoyed at any meal. However, there are a lot of conversations that happen about whether eating eggs regularly is beneficial. Here, take a look at what happens to your body when you eat boiled eggs every day. Eating boiled eggs every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and potentially negative. 1. High-quality protein. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids which are necessary for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. Regular consumption can help support muscle maintenance and development. 2. Nutrient-rich. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, D, E and B complex vitamins like B12 and folate, as well as minerals such as iron, phosphorus, and selenium. These nutrients play important roles in various bodily functions, including immunity, bone health, and energy production. 3. Satiety and weight management. The protein and healthy fats in boiled eggs can promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which may help reduce overall calorie intake and aid in weight management. Including eggs in your diet may prevent overeating and snacking between meals. 4. Heart health. Despite their cholesterol content, research suggests that moderate egg consumption may have neutral or beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. Eggs contain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Markers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.